We are back. We are going to work on more of the fence today. And I'm going to do a lot of time lapsing, so you'll just have to get used to that part. But yeah, again, we're doing, this is pine bark. And it's Valspar, 1-coat exterior, stain and sealer solid, all-weather defense. 10-year guarantee, it says. Now, this has been sitting for about a week, so I better kind of shake it just a little bit. It should be good. Now I know I need this is just a liner, supposed to have like a metal pan under this, but I don't, so I'm going with this. We're gonna just throw a bunch on there and go for it. Clean off the paint out of here so we can get the cap back on, as you all know. That's just gonna, you know what, I better just dip that into paint, because what it'll do, it'll keep it from drying out. So it'll sit right there. I was using a big roller this last time. Now I decided to go with a smaller roller. We'll see how this little roller does. I don't know how big that thing is. 5 or 6 inches? Pretty small. It's a little foam roller. Being that I'm going down low here along this grass line, I was thinking maybe it would work pretty good. All right, y'all, I'm tired. That is almost halfway on this fence. And boy, this fence is just like this, and the boards are like that. And it makes it really difficult. I could have sprayed it, but I was concerned also about spraying it that it would wrap around and get on the other side of the fence a little bit. Neighbors, I don't know what their side of the fence looks like, but I'm guessing it's the same color, probably. So I'm going to show you guys something that I've done in the past, and it always works as long as you don't leave things sitting for too terribly long. And what that is I'm going to grab the paint, and what you do is, I have about a half a gallon left. I might be able to make it. I hope I do, because I don't want to buy another one, because I have nothing else to paint. All right, so what I do is I pour a bunch of paint in here, like so. All right, you get all of this off of here first. Okay, now let's get the lid too. All right, got the lid. Paintbrush is in the mouth. Good to go. Put this on. Okay, so what you do is you get paint on your hand. That is the only paint that I got on my hand right there. Out of all this time, I don't have any paint. Is you coat this pan really good, like so, and the roller. All right, then you take it inside and you put it in a trash bag. And you know what? Let me go get the trash bag. I'll leave the paint right there. I'll be back. All right, so here's what you do. You get a trash bag. This is almost too small, but it's all I had. All right, so you wrap it up, put it inside the trash bag. If I can do this, and I do believe I can. And you'll get paint kind of on some things, like I did there a little bit. All right, then you take it and you wrap it real good here. And what you'll want to do is put some tape around this, and As long as no air gets in there, that will not dry out for several days. So I'm going to take this inside, put some tape around that handle, and we're calling it an evening right now. It's actually getting dark. The sun is down. Camera probably doesn't show it's dark, but it's getting a little dark. Bye. All right, guys, it is early in the morning. Sun's just coming up, and I want to get this thing whipped out today. This part of the fence right here, all the way down to the corner. I'm not gonna do that. That's a super long, and it's not damaged with the hail stuff. They wanted that fixed. So anyways, that's what I'm gonna do. Let's get to it. Scraping the barrel, nothing left. I think I'm actually gonna make it. Didn't think I was going to, but I got enough. Barely had enough. That's all the paint that I have left out of 1 gallon. And I've got the fence finished. Yes, it is good enough. All right, here we go. I'm gonna take the camera. Now the sun is definitely in the lens there, but as you can see, it is. Well, hang on a second. Let's do this different. Let's take the camera off the stand. There we go. All right, this is the end. Did all this. All this. As you can see, it's a pretty long fence, but it is done. 1 gallon did that, and it covered it really well. Actually, I'm very surprised. You can see, I mean, it covered it really good. Well, the sun's coming through, of course. But we did it. We did it. Done. And I can't go backwards because of the sun. Let me get right here where the tree is. Yeah, now I can go back for a little bit until the tree. But here we go. Yay! I'm done. I don't plan on doing that. That's just too much work. That's a really long fence there. It's much longer than this one. Now, I'm guessing, oh, that one is another 30 feet longer or so. I'm also working on the painting my deck. I'm doing that. So, got to get that finished too. But not right now. It's starting to get a little warm. Sun's up. I don't be warm and working over there in the sun. I'll wait till the sun goes down. That's it for now, guys. We are completed. Done. No more. Time to clean up.